Hi, it's Sam here at Lang's. Come with me to check out a few pollinator-friendly perennials that we have here at our garden. First up, we have Jacob's ladder, which is named for the leaf pattern resembling a ladder there. The butterflies are super attracted to the pretty lavender blooms. It also attracts bumblebees, moths, native flies. These guys like shadier areas and are good to keep on your borders. And they'll come back bigger and bushier every single year. Next up is the bleeding heart. Just look at those cute blooms there. The hummingbirds love them, and also the bumblebees, which we see a lot here at Lang's. These guys like shadier areas, and they will go dormant in the summer, so pair them with other plants that will fill the space once they start to slow down. Last but certainly not least, we have the salvia plant. These beautiful violet blooms attract all pollinators, especially the bumblebees. And this one prefers full sun. They're pretty drought resistant, so their blooms last well into the summer to help keep our pollinator friends nice and happy. Pollinators are vital to support a healthy ecosystem and plant diversity. So come by Lang's and grab one or all three to add to your garden.